All right, guys, so we're back. So if you guys have seen from the last video, I said I was gonna be ending the project, but I put a lot of time and thought into this, and honestly, I didn't want to see it go. It's gonna be a ton of work. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely a hard choice to make to continue with this project because it's such a big job to remove all this coring, because it's a 26 foot. It's not no 12 or 16 foot boat that's going to take maybe a day or two to rip it all out. But if you have the right tools and stuff like that, it could probably go a little bit faster than what I'm doing. But I'm doing what I can afford and the tools I have. And I have a couple tools that I'm going to be buying to speed up the process a little bit. But this is just what I got. So I'm going to continue on the project. I'm going to show you guys a quick little walkthrough on what I'm planning on doing. I was planning on removing all the coring and doing the flooring, but the coring comes up to the transom, and that the coring material and the fiberglass is taller, so it doesn't go underneath the transom. It's actually built into it or against it and then glassed in. So what I'm planning on doing is tearing out about a foot away from the back of the transom of the coring material that's rotten all the way across, and then put the transom in, get that all done, get that glassed in, and then start removing the coring in sections, because I'm kind of worried about the warping, because there's no structure in this boat at all once you remove all the coring at once. So I'm probably just gonna do like 5-foot sections, but things are gonna change. So as of right now and as of today, I'm gonna be removing about a foot from the back of the transom, from port to starboard, all the way across, glass it up, or thicken it up and make sure it's nice and flat for when I install the Cusa board and for the transom. So I want to get the Cusa board and the transom installed before start removing the coring. So that's the process today. I'll show you guys what I'm planning on doing. As you guys can see here, this is that rotten coring, and it's pretty well shot. So what I'm planning on doing is taking about a foot, so about from right here all the way across, take out that coring material and the fiberglass, get it down to good glass, get it down to this point right there where I was working on before, rip that all up, get it nice and flat, thicken some resin in there so where the transom is going to be sitting, the Cusa board transom, and then make it nice and flat so the jigsaw's not having to go all over the place, and makes a nice straight cut. So Alright, so the plan is I'm going to use the Sawzall, get the rest of the stringers out because I'm tired of looking at them. And the boat's pretty well held together. It's pretty much secure all the way around, so I don't think it's going to be a big issue just removing the stringers because they're not even doing anything anyway. So I just want to get rid of them, start with this clean slate, and start getting down to bare hull. So. Alrighty, so I got the stringers out, you guys. Came out pretty decent, actually. Sawzall is definitely the way to go. The oscillating tool is nice and stuff, but it just doesn't have the teeth for cutting these big projects out. So, but this part where the fuel tank was sitting needs to come up, and then this is where the rod floor was on the inside, so that's definitely need to come up. And then once that's up, then I can start removing all the balsa coring in here. But my plan is for the next video is I'm going to glass this up on the bottom with some thickened resin, maybe do a little bit of transom work, but I'm going to try to get the Cusa board cut out, get all the pieces laminated together, and get ready to set it in place. So I look forward to seeing you guys on that next video. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, just leave them down below. Any of the tools I've been using, you guys can find those in the description down below. And I just want to say thank you to you guys for watching these videos. It's helped me out, helped my family out, and helped this project out. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. See you guys next time. Thanks.